ZayNa's Playhouse!
Hi friends, look what we have today. So many toys. Let's explore them one by one. Which toy should I pick first? Let's pick this one. It's the Cocomelon school bus. Let's see who's driving it. Oh wow, it's JJ. Let's drive the bus. Vroom vroom. Bye bye school bus. Next, we have a white tiger. Wow, look at its stripes. Let's make it roar, roar, roar. He's so strong and brave. There he goes, walking away. Here comes our Paw Patrol firefighter pup, Marshall. Let's see what he can do. Wow, he can blow bubbles too. Bubble pop, pop, pop. Good job, Marshall. Bye-bye. Oh, look who's next. It's Spider-Man. Let's give him a squeeze. Whoa. Sparkles inside. Bye-bye, Spider-Man. Aw. Here's a cute little puppy dog. He's so soft and cuddly. Bye-bye, doggy. And look, a ringing bell. Ding, ding, ding. It has a smiley face. So cute. Bye-bye, little bell. Now it's time for the horse. Clip, clop, clip, clop. There it goes, galloping away. Oh, and look, a little finger sheet. Let's put it on my finger and sing. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? So sweet. Let's take it off and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now it's a wolf book. Let's open it. Wow, such colorful pages. So many cute pictures inside. Let's close it and put it away. Next, a frog. Let's do ribbit, ribbit together. Ribbit, ribbit. He's jumping away now. Bye-bye, Froggy. Ooh, a tiny sports car. Let's drive it fast. Off it goes. Bye-bye. And now, it's Play-Doh time. It's purple. Let's take it out and flatten it with our fingers. Now let's use this turtle mold. Press, press. Wow! We made a turtle out of Play-Doh. Bye-bye, little turtle. Look who's here! A pink piggy. Let's make it walk away. Bye-bye, piggy. And last but not least, Thomas the train. He has lights and makes sounds. Choo-choo!
Hello, friend. It's me, Thomas.
Let's drive him away on the track. Bye-bye, Thomas. That was so much fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.